colourful mascot ideas for the 2022 Asian Games are pouring in from designers around the world. The 19th Asian Games Hanghzhou 2022 Organising Committee will present the lucky winner with a prize of $17,000. The city of Hangzhou won the right to host the multi-sport event at the 34th General Assembly of the Olympic Council of Asia. The Hangzhou Asian Games will be the third Asian Games to be held in China, following successful bids from Beijing and Guangzhou. An important part of the brand image of such a large-scale sporting event, the winning mascot design will have to meet the following strict conditions. Convey a lively visual image, express dreams, innovation, joy, and perseverance, reflect the historical, humanistic, innovative, and dynamic aspects of Hangzhou, combine the Olympic spirit and Chinese cultural values, exemplify the wish to build a community of Asian and human destiny, and connect cultural backgrounds in universal spirit. The design competition is open for 3 months, finishing on July the 15th. Following the judging stage, the winner will be announced by the end of 2019.